vocabulary online.
Today we will learn animals' name in English, Arabic and Urdu. Let's start. This animal in English is called lion. In Arabic, asad. In Urdu, sher. Lion, asad, sher. In English, cat. In Arabic, kitta. In Urdu, binli. Cat, kitta, binli. In English, dog. In Arabic, kalb. In Urdu, kutta. Dog, kalb, kutta. In English, horse. In Arabic, hiswan. In Urdu, gora. Horse, hiswan, gora. In English, monkey. In Arabic, bird. In Urdu, bandar. Monkey, parent, bandar. In English, tiger. In Arabic, namir. In Urdu, cheetah. Tiger, namir, cheetah. In English, cow. In Arabic, baqarah. In Urdu, guy. Cow, baqarah, guy. In English, fox. In Arabic, salab. In Urdu, lumari. Fox, salab, lumari. In English, rabbit. In Arabic, arnab. In Urdu, khargosh. Rabbit, arnab, khargosh. In English, camel. In Arabic, jamal. In Urdu, oont. Camel, jamal, oont. In English, deer. In Arabic, ghazal. In Urdu, heron. Deer, ghazal, heron. In English, wolf. In Arabic, zeb. In Urdu, beria. Wolf, zeb, beria. In English, bear. In Arabic, dub. In Urdu, halu. Bear, dub, halu. In English, elephant. In Arabic, fil. In Urdu, hati. Elephant, fil, hati. In English, giraffe. In Arabic, zarafa. In Urdu, zarafa. Giraffe, zarafa, zarafa.
Quiz time.
Question number 1. Name of monkey in Arabic is Option 1, Kurt. Option 2, Namir. Option 3, Hiswan. Correct answer is option 1, Kurt. Question number 2. What do you call cat in Arabic? Option 1 kalb. Option 2 kutta. Option 3 gird. Correct answer is option 2 kutta. Question number 3. What is the name of this animal in Urdu? Option 1 sher. Option 2 zarafa. Option 3 billi. Correct answer is option 3 billi. Question number 4. What is the name of this animal in English? Option 1 fox. Option 2 monkey. Option 3 wolf. Correct answer is option 3 wolf. Question number 5. What do you call elephant in Arabic? Option 1 kitta. Option 2 feel. Option 3 sardab. Correct answer is option 2 feel. If you got 5 points, then this is for you.
Excellent!
If you got 3 or 4 points out of 5, then this is for you.
Good.
And if you got 0, 1 or 2 points, then don't worry and try again. Better luck next time. Tell me your score in the comment box. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe Vocabulary Online for more videos. Thanks for watching.